day, and here I'm back with another kind of translation series from mother tongue to English. So I often see like your love in the form of likes and comments, and thank you so much for that kind of love and support. So I request you to continue that kind of support for us to our channel. So often I'm doing this kind of videos, and I've seen the history of translation, that the history of translation has been started from BC, that is before Christ series, and other translation is Saint Jerome, and he has translated the Bible from the ancient languages to our regular English language. So from historical review to today's, we are celebrating September 30 as the International Translation Day. So this is about a small history about translation, and let's dive into our kind of translation of general sentences to our regular professional English. So let's see. So the very first sentence is Nenu resume update cheyalekapotunnanu. Let's see how we can translate this. I am not able to update my resume. So that's the way you can translate the series. You can even ask me, I can't update my resume. If you are saying about the past tense, you can say in that way, but we are writing in the present tense. Don't worry about that, about the tenses. We will get back to you with another video. So right now we'll see about the translation series. So let's see the second one. Naaku cheppevaru evaru leru. I do not have anybody to tell. So regularly, where do you see this kind of sentences? Comment and let me know in the comment section. So let's see the third one. So naaku na mock test lo manchi markulu vachayi. I got good marks in my mock test. So can you guess and write in the comment section that how we can change and rewrite this sentence in another kind of professional English itself with another kind of words. So this is one of the exercise that I wanted to give you. So do reach out to comment section and write another kind of version where I can give it to you as one of the exercise from the YouTube channel. So fourth sentence, నాకు ఉద్యోగం ఇంకొక 20 రోజుల్లో వస్తుందని నమ్ముతున్నాను. I do believe that I do get a job in 20 days. So you can write this or else I do believe that I will be a job holder in upcoming 20 days. So do you know the reason why I do give two kind of translations? So whatever is comfortable for you, whatever is comfortable while saying and while pronouncing, so you do follow that only. First at the basic level, then you can go to the advanced level. So let's see the final sentence for the day. So naaku ee roju oka interview undi. I do have an interview today, or else. So here is another sentence that I am providing you for the fifth sentence. I do have one interview scheduled for the day. So these are the regular sentences that we are hearing in our circle, in our institute as well. So according to that only, receiving your feedback, we are translating the regular mother tongue sentences to professional English. So hope you had a fun translating the video, translating the sentences, and I'll see you back with another video. And don't forget to comment this another version in the comment section. I hope to see your comments further, and I'll get back to you with another video. Bye bye.